what's up? Got my hair down right now. Yee. Just hanging out at my house right now. It's kind of dark, but if you guys don't watch the update videos on my house, well, you should. But anyways, they are mudding the house right now. Everything is sheetrocked and taped off. So anyways, just give you a work update today. Just finished stripping on the second floor, and then that was like right at the end of the day. We finished stripping, and then we were screwing in some of the boxes for the adjustable boxes in the kitchen or around. So then when we come back, I guess we're having Monday off, so Labor Day or whatnot. So on Tuesday, we'll come back and start putting in the devices, the switches, the plugs, all that good stuff. Dryer plugs, range plugs, all that stuff. So anyways, that's what's happening back on Tuesday. So no video on Monday from work because I won't be working. But if you guys also want to check out the update video on the house, which is kind of the same thing which I'm talking about right now, then yeah, check that out and make sure to follow along. And that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching for this little update. If you enjoyed, drop a like, subscribe, stay safe out there this weekend, have fun, and check the description for anything else. And hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Look at this little artwork. Who did that? That's kind of cute. All right, guys, thanks. Peace out.